Adrenaline. What's that? It's that thing that pumps through your body when you go on a roller coaster, or get chased by a bear, or see an attractive member of the opposite sex. Okay, maybe that last one doesn't always involve an immediate physical response, but the point remains. Adrenaline is a powerful hormone, and today we want to talk about 10 effects that it can have on the human body. Some may be obvious, some less so. But we think you'll be surprised by just how far-reaching the influence of adrenaline actually goes. Just make sure to stick around until the end because we saved the best for last. Before we get into the effects, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon for notifications so you never miss any of our videos. 10. Your heart starts racing. Obviously, your heart pounds in your chest, especially when you know you're about to embark on something scary or exciting. Adrenaline tells your heart to beat faster so that more blood can pump through your veins. This is why your pulse quickens when you're about to do something risky or nerve-wracking. The extra blood flow helps deliver more oxygen to your muscles, readying them for whatever activity lies ahead. 9. You sweat more. Ever played a horror movie marathon and woken up drenched in sweat despite being comfortable in bed? Yeah, we all get freaked out by different things. And if you're like most people, that fear triggers the release of adrenaline, which can cause you to sweat, even if the room temperature hasn't changed. That's because adrenaline causes your body to enter fight or flight mode, preparing you to either confront the danger or run away from it. This primal response is hardwired into us from our caveman days, back when our survival depended on being able to fight off a saber-toothed tiger or outrun a herd of stampeding mastodons. So, whether you're facing a real-life threat or just watching a movie about one, your body reacts the same way thanks to adrenaline and its many effects. 8. Your pupils dilate. When adrenaline surges through your system, your pupils dilate, allowing more light to enter your eyes. This happens because adrenaline makes your brain alert and focused, helping you take in as much of your surroundings as possible. It's like your body's way of saying, "Pay attention, something important is happening here." This effect of adrenaline is especially noticeable in people whose eyes are already a striking shade of blue or green. When those irises pop wide open, they become mesmerizing pools of ever-shifting color and depth. Talk about a captivating gaze. 7. You experience tunnel vision. Have you ever been so focused on a task at hand that you lost sight of everything else going on around you? That intense concentration is similar to what happens when adrenaline kicks in. As it surges through your body, it narrows your focus, allowing you to zero in on the thing that matters most at that moment. It's like your brain is shutting out all distractions so that you can give your full attention to what's in front of you. This is helpful in dangerous situations where you need to stay on target. But it can also be useful in everyday life when you're trying to concentrate on a particularly challenging task. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed, take a deep breath, relax, and let the tunnel vision kick in. 6. You breathe faster. When adrenaline hits your system, your breathing becomes faster and shallower, almost involuntarily. This is because adrenaline primes your body for action, diverting blood flow away from less essential functions like digestion and towards more vital ones, like muscle movement. This shift in focus means that you're not taking in as much air with each breath, but you're breathing more frequently to compensate. While this might seem like a less noticeable effect of adrenaline, it can actually be quite significant. For example, if you're exercising, breathing faster can help increase oxygen intake, which can improve performance. On the other hand, if you're stressed out, the shallow breaths can lead to hyperventilation, which can worsen feelings of anxiety. So next time you feel adrenaline surging through your veins, pay attention to your breathing. It could be an indication of what your body is trying to tell you. 5. Your senses become heightened. Picture yourself walking through the woods when suddenly you hear a snap, your heart races, your breathing quickens, and your senses become razor sharp. Every creak of a twig, every rustle of leaves, every chirp of a bird takes on new significance. This heightened state of awareness is a result of adrenaline flooding your system. It triggers your brain to focus on the world around you, making you more attuned to even the subtlest of sounds, smells, and sights. It's like your body's way of saying, "Pay attention. You never know what might be out there." And while this effect can be useful in dangerous situations, it can also be triggered by everyday stress. Next time you find yourself feeling on edge, try to take a deep breath and relax. There's no tiger lurking around the corner, for you salivate. The next time you're about to do something that gets your adrenaline pumping, pay attention to your mouth. chances are you'll start salivating. That's because adrenaline triggers a cascade of reactions in your body, including the production of saliva. The extra saliva helps lubricate your mouth, preparing you to swallow quickly, which can be useful if you need to gulp down a big dose of courage before jumping out of a plane or making a crucial presentation. It's like your body's way of ensuring that everything runs smoothly when the stakes are high. So next time you feel adrenaline surging through your veins, take a moment to appreciate the fascinating ways in which your body prepares you for whatever challenges lie ahead. 3. Your skin prickles. Do you get goosebumps when you listen to your favorite song or watch an inspiring video? If so, you can thank adrenaline for that prickly sensation on your skin. It's called pillow erection, and it happens when tiny muscles contract around your hair follicles, raising the hairs on your arms, neck, and sometimes even your head. This reaction is a holdover from our furry ancestors who used it to keep their coats puffed out and their spines erect. But even though we humans don't have much body hair these days, the instinct remains. So next time you feel your skin prickling with excitement or anticipation, remember that you're tapping into a primal instinct that has been passed down from generation to generation. 2. You lose your appetite. When adrenaline surges through your system, it can temporarily shut down your appetite. That's because your body goes into survival mode, prioritizing immediate needs like quickening your heartbeat and diverting blood flow away from non-essential functions like digestion. This sudden lack of hunger can be a good thing, like when you're about to run a marathon and don't want to slow down for a snack break. But it can also be a problem if you skip meals or snacks throughout the day because you're too busy or distracted. Before you know it, you'll be famished and ready to devour anything in sight. So next time you feel your adrenaline levels rising, take a moment to assess your hunger cues. Do you really need that snack, or can you wait until later? 1. You urinate. When adrenaline hits your system, it can cause you to let loose in more ways than one. That's because adrenaline triggers a fight or flight response in your body, which shuts down non-essential functions like digestion and urination. But once the danger has passed, your body will often release any pent-up fluids all at once. So if you find yourself suddenly needing to use the restroom after a particularly stressful situation, you can blame adrenaline for that. In fact, adrenaline is so powerful that it can even trigger a temporary loss of bladder control. That's why some people experience bladder leakage or urinary incontinence when they're under extreme stress. So if you're feeling particularly nervous, make sure to find a bathroom nearby. Otherwise, you might be in for an embarrassing surprise. There you have it, folks. 10 surprising effects of adrenaline. We hope you learned something new and maybe even gained a greater appreciation for the incredible power of this remarkable hormone. Remember, adrenaline isn't just responsible for those thrilling moments of excitement and adventure. It also plays a role in everyday occurrences that you might not expect. From sweating to dilated pupils, increased heart rate, and even changes in digestion, adrenaline has a profound impact on your body and mind. So, next time you find yourself experiencing any of these symptoms, take a moment to acknowledge the role that adrenaline may be playing. After all, it's just another reminder of the amazing complexity and adaptability of the human body. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave us a comment below. We'll see you next time.